Culture and Imperialism. Culture and Imperialism is a non-fiction book published in 1993 by the Palestinian-American author and academic Edward Said. Originating from a series of lectures that Said delivered in 1985 and 1986, Culture and Imperialism is an expansion of the idea set out in his groundbreaking earlier work, Orientalism. Considered one of the founders of the field of post-colonial studies, Said looks at how the formerly colonized margins influence the metropolitan centers, and vice versa. He argues that the project of imperialism undergirds virtually every interaction between the West and the rest of the world. The exchanges between Britain and India, France and Algeria, and America and everywhere else, as the world's last superpower, in Said's view, provide him with cogent points of analysis. In what was a radical idea at the time, he also posits that culture itself bolsters the project of imperialism in ways both obvious and subtle, and that culture and imperialism are inextricably linked in myriad ways. He is especially concerned with the novel and other literary cultural products, revealing how works seemingly removed from the process of colonialism are actually intimately connected to it. Ultimately, Said lays the groundwork for a truly post-imperial world that moves beyond nationalism and essentialist notions of identity to a migratory kind of liberation from these authoritative narratives. He believes that the function of the scholar, or the public intellectual, is to actively engage with the real world to establish a more equitable discourse without the use of conventional prejudice which gives rise to the inevitable conflicts that are the hallmark of imperialism.